Hi, good day. Let us learn about the replication of deoxyribonucleic acid. There are mechanisms to pass exact copies of all genetic information from one cell to the next. During cell division, the mechanism is mitosis. During production of gametes for sexual reproduction, the mechanism is meiosis. Therefore, there must be a means of making duplicate copies of DNA. Each organism on Earth today has a nucleotide sequence in its DNA that was obtained from its parents. This sequence goes back some 3.5 billion years to the first organisms on Earth. Why must DNA replicate? Every time a cell divides, it must first make a copy of its chromosomes. In this way, each new cell can have a complete set of chromosomes. In fact, every time a cell reproduces by mitosis or a gamete is formed by meiosis, DNA is copied in a process called replication. Without replication, a species could not survive and individuals could not successfully grow and reproduce. This figure shows bacterial DNA replication. This bacterial DNA is in the process of replication. The two loops are new copies. The bottom loop is twisted into a figure 8 shape. Replication is occurring at the intersection of the two loops as indicated by the arrows. How DNA replicates? Recall that a DNA molecule is composed of two strands, each containing a sequence of nucleotides. As you know, an adenine on one strand always pairs with a thymine on the other strand. Similarly, guanine always pairs with cytosine. Therefore, if you know the order of bases on one strand, you could predict the sequence of bases on the complementary strand. In fact, part of the process of DNA replication is done in just the same way. During replication, each strand serves as a pattern to make a new DNA molecule. DNA replication begins as an enzyme breaks the hydrogen bonds between nitrogen bases that hold the two strands together, unzipping the DNA molecule. As the DNA continues to unzip, free nucleotides from the surroundings in the nucleus bond to the single strands by base pairing. Another enzyme bonds these nucleotides into a chain. This process continues until the entire molecule has been unzipped and replicated. As a result, each new strand formed is a complement of the original, or parent, strands. The result is the formation of two DNA molecules, each of which is identical to the original DNA molecule. When all the DNA in all the chromosomes of the cell has been copied by replication, there are two copies by the organism's genetic information. In this way, the genetic makeup of an organism can be passed on to new cells during mitosis or to new generations through meiosis. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscriber button. Thank you for watching.